that. Hit the pussy up. Shut.
Yeah.
What you dying for? What you riding and dying for? If you got a nigga, you know he got your back right now. If you get your brethren back, where the God finger? All the ladies who got the girlfriend back, where the God finger? Fine song can be around for a little while. We can be around for a long time. We can suck it. Don't forget Sunday night. It's all about cocktails and drink. Fine songs and can't go around and drink. Sunday night, they reggae night. Cocktails. Everybody sing. If you ain't scared of nobody, put your hand in there right now like you praying to God. If you ain't scared of only God alone you fear, put your 2 hands in there like only God you scared of. Let me be sure. If you ain't scared of nobody, I will hear everybody sing this song. If you ain't scared. I got some haters. That's why we got haters. Haters everywhere we go. Haters everywhere we go. Haters everywhere we go. Where we go. Haters going down for the cowards. Looking at the grass. Fox, I got some haters. Motherfucking haters. Haters everywhere we go. If you know you got somebody that hates you right now, suck up your middle finger. If you sure somebody hates you right now, suck up your middle finger. On the floor. You know you're wrong. Whenever you face up, that's right. I got a focus, yeah, I'm raw, you know my flow. Cause don't be acting extra hard like up my aggro. I wonder if you get any bonus on this move. If you support to go to the bar and buy a bottle of champagne right now, only going for $100. Shut up, I'll be suited. Great.